Hello, Earthy friend. We are the 25th December. It's a Christmas day. So have a very nice day for this Christmas. A few days ago, I did an unboxing of several items, and I promised to you an unboxing for Christmas. Surprising. It's the 25 and here it is. The wide one off-road. 110k STI performance off-road racer with a red cage. Some screw and pit, the standard engine, aluminium shock absorber, very good, the gear, servo saver, front bumper, the body, the surface of body, the pilot, the driver, the chassis, the tires, the rear rims, the pilot, the cage, some belts, and the gearing on the engine box here. The front wheel,